I thought this would be pretty interesting for people, but I'm doing a battery in a auto start stop 18 F-150, and a lot of people don't know this. How many of you ever pulled this instruction manual right here on top of the battery? Probably most of you have not even done it. When you open this manual up, it tells you that when you pull this off, there's this little nub attached to the side of it. The reason this pops off of there and they let you pull it off is because if you take a battery and you put it in a trunk and it's got a vent line that vents the battery to the outside, say it plugs in this side, you're supposed to take this plug and plug off the other side if there's not a second line. That's what these are for. So theoretically, these are plugs for vehicles that have interior batteries, trunk batteries, inside batteries, whatever side the vent line is not on, you plug the open side. And the vent line runs to the other, so the battery vents to the exterior instead of to the interior. But because this is under a hood, you don't put any plugs in there, you just install the battery. If you don't know, now you know.